Dilations. After watching this video, I will be able to draw a dilation of a figure in a coordinate plane. So what is a dilation? A dilation is enlarging or reducing an image by a scale factor. So think about zooming in or out. When you're zooming out, you're making it smaller, reducing. When you're zooming in, you are enlarging. Scale factor is basically the number that you are enlarging by or reducing by. Notice that a reduction is any number between 0 or 1, but it's not equal to 1. And an enlargement is any number bigger than 1. When doing a dilation in the coordinate plane, we can basically use this rule, which is to multiply by the scale factor. So you're going to take the x and y coordinates and multiply by whatever scale factor you are enlarging or reducing by. That scale factor is known as the variable k. So here we want to graph the image of the figure using the transformation given, and we want to do a dilation of 2.5. So first we need to identify the ordered pairs for each of the letters. Once we know the ordered pairs of each of our vertices or each of the points plotted on the graph, we can multiply by the scale factor. So I would take each of these numbers in my x and y ordered pairs and multiply by 2.5. So the scale factor of my scale factor is 2.5 times -2 is going to give me -5, -2.5. And I would plot that as my first point. Continue to multiply each of the ordered pairs by 2.5. Once you have multiplied all of the ordered pairs by 2.5, plot the points appropriately. Once you plotted your points, notice that some of the points, because they were 2.5, I was actually in the middle of a box. And then you would connect your dots. In your Edge Elastic independent practice, Edge Elastic will actually connect the dots for you, but if you were doing this on paper, you would connect the dots yourself. Notice that my scale factor was larger than 1. Because it was larger than 1, my image got bigger. If it were less than 1, my image would have gotten smaller. Now you try. You want to perform the dilation of 1/2 about the origin, which means that your scale factor is 1/2. Remember that sometimes working with fractions can be confusing. You can convert your fraction into a decimal because I know that 1/2 is also the same thing as 0.5. Select your response below. The correct answer is D. If you did not get this correct, then you should watch the remainder of this video. So I'm multiplying -3 times my scale factor of 0.5 or 1/2, and that's going to give me -1.5. Then I will multiply -5 by the scale factor, which is 0.5, and that's going to give me -2.5. Because I'm doing x and y ordered pairs, my x coordinate was -1.5 and my y coordinate -2.5, which makes D my answer.